Back when project plans were drawn on a drafting table instead of a computer, designers used one of the ratio scales on this architect's rule to dimension their plans. Now Woodpeckers has borrowed this triangular profile to give you the 6 most needed woodworking rules in one handy tool. Introducing the hex scale. Hex scale gives you the normal left to right scale in inches. If you want the same left to right view in millimeters, just roll the hex scale one time. Sometimes your project calls for a reading that starts on the right. Just turn the hex scale around and there's the right to left scale in inches. Your table saw rib fence is an obvious example of when you want the right to left scale. And again, to view in millimeters, just roll it one time. The centering scale lets you accurately locate the middle of any board without doing any math at all. Just align the hex scale with the same measurement on both edges. And the 0 is at the exact center. Or for something like a drawer pull, you can now measure the same distance either side of center. And like the others, you have the centering scale in both inches and millimeters. The triangular profile does more than just give you 6 scales in one. It also places the scale right down on your material, eliminating parallax viewing error. Hex scale's profile also aligns the scale perfectly parallel with your material, improving the accuracy of your measurement compared to trying to align a flat rule. Each hex scale includes a stop, perfectly molded to the profile of the rule. Lock it on the rule and make quick work of repetitive marking. Hex scale is available in 6, 12, 24, and 36-inch lengths. If you buy the complete set, you'll also get a wall-mountable racket to keep your hex scales right in plain sight and always ready for work. The 6 most useful measuring scales for woodworkers in one convenient tool. Order your hex scales today.